Today we are going to do an interesting activity. Okay students? Today we are going to do pouring rice activity. Okay? Are you excited? For this activity we need 2 bowls. Look here. I have filled rice in this bowl. You all can see here. And this bowl is empty. Now students, I will pour the rice from this full bowl into the empty bowl. Okay students? I will pour the rice from this full bowl into the empty bowl. Okay students? What activity are we doing today?
Pouring activity.
Good. Okay, what is this?
Spoon.
This is
Spoon.
spoon. And what is this?
Bowl.
This is
Bowl.
bowl. And what is this?
Rice.
Rice. This is
Rice.
rice. Okay. How many bowls?
2 bowls.
And how many spoon?
Spoon.
Okay, good. Pour your spoon and 2 fingers down and thumb up. Like this. Very good. Okay. You will pour the rice from this bowl into the empty bowl. आपने इस वाले बोल को जितने भी राइस हैं इस वाले बोल में क्या करना है? पोर करना है, डालने हैं। और इस वाले बोल को हमने क्या करना है? खाली करना है, एम्प्टी करना है। ओके स्टार्ट। बी केयरफुल। Oh no, slow slow. Put it. Open it. Okay. Very good. Okay. Which activity?